Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Nina and today I'm back to show you guys my top picks for your 2020 workwear. Dekat sini ada tak sesiapa yang start the new year with a new job? If yes, then this video is definitely for you guys. You guys kena tengok sebab Nina akan share some tips and tricks, inspirations untuk you guys refresh your workwear attire. So let's get started. Okay, for this first look, Nina nak tunjukkan look smart casual untuk anda yang mungkin bekerja as a lecturer or maybe simply on a Friday. Since this skirt is printed and also pleated, Nina tuck in the blouse so that the skirt becomes the focal point of this look. Remember to always pair a solid colour top with your printed skirt to balance the look so that lebih sesuai untuk kita bawa ke pejabat. Next look pula, untuk corporate look or if you have a formal meeting and you nak nampak kemas and berketerampilan, make sure to choose colour yang selamat or earthy tones. And specifically untuk look ni, Nina go for monochrome look sebab dia nampak lebih classy. Final one, for those of you yang kerja kat tempat yang lebih fleksibel, for example yang bekerja dalam creative industry, Nina would suggest to go for looks yang lebih relax and comfy. So for this look, Nina pairkan this lightweight denim blouse with a more fitted pants. Even though this look is very casual, but the colour and material makes the whole look nampak sangat kemas. So that's all for this week. I hope you guys get some inspiration on how to style your workwear this 2020. Make sure to give comment, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!